Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one of the methods to use ChatGPT models or OpenAI models on our custom data. This method is using embeddings or word embeddings or vector representation of our data. So over here, first we will create vector representation or word embeddings of our data, and then we will use those word embeddings, those vector representation of our data to provide answers, to provide responses using ChatGPT or OpenAI models. So over here in the script, the very first step is to import required packages. Second is we will do some global level settings. Then over here, the function has been defined. Using this script, we are going to convert our text data into the vector representation into the word embeddings and store it at particular location. And you can see that this vector representation will look something like this. Once this is done, the next step is go to this script chatbot.py. Over here again we will load the required packages. Over here again we will load the OpenAI secret API key from .env file. Once it's done, we will provide the path from where we need to read those word embeddings, and over here we will load those vector representation. Then based on that vector representation of word embeddings, we will create index, and then finally we will use this query engine based on that particular index to provide the responses. Just run this particular command. Over here you have two URLs. One is the local URL, another one is the public URL. So this URL you can share with others, and others will also be able to use that particular playground. So I will go with this local URL, and over here now I will paste the ChatGPT on my local data. Okay, so like, hi, how can I help you? Then I will ask the question, who is Nayan? And you can see that it has provided the information. So basically what I have done over here is I have provided a single PDF of my resume to create this vector representation, to create this word embeddings. And using that single PDF file of my resume, ChatGPT is providing the answer, it's providing the responses. Okay, so one more question, like, is Nayan and Nayan Kumar are same? The reason being, in my resume, everywhere it has been written Nayan Kumar and not Nayan. So I'm just checking that what is the answer ChatGPT is going to provide. So you can see that no, Nayan and Nayan Kumar are not the same. Nayan is not mentioned in the context information, while Nayan Kumar is mentioned as the name of the person who created the resume. One more question, like, which domains Nayan has worked till now? And again submit. Okay, so you can see that Nayan has worked in domain of these and done this kind of the thing. So this is how you can use your custom data to provide responses by ChatGPT. One more thing that what I have done over here is I only provided one PDF of my resume only. So this is the resume PDF that I have provided to ChatGPT. So I'm not sure that how it is going to be worked with .txt or .csv file. But for .pdf file, it is working fine. And another thing is all these codes and all the steps are available on the GitLab repository, and its link is available in the description box. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching this video.